Hello, in this presentation we will discuss about the cell structure overview, and we will just learn about the different cells basically on the basis of plant cell, bacterial cell and animal cell. So that is just basic overview. So first of all we should need to understand what is the cell. So the cell is the basic functional unit of life in all living organisms. Cell is the microscopic in nature, contains subcell called organelles inside of the cell, and each type of organelle is for normal specific function in a specific cell. Each cell in the same organism contains same nucleus. So in this way the same nucleus are present in the same organism, so that is the on the basis of their structure and function differentiation and specialization with a specific number of chromosome, their different organ on the basis of active and inactive gene to express phenotypes, such as nerve cell will express the nerve cell related genes as a phenotype, and hepatocytes is same manner, lymphocyte, enterocytes and myocytes, osteocytes are present in the bone, myocytes present in the muscle cells, muscle, and enterocytes, which that is the digestive cells, brush powder cell, and the lymphocyte is used for the immune system. So that is the different type of cell produced due to the gene off and on the basis of their location and their function. So that is why, for example, the nerve cell will off those genes which that is the off in the hepatocyte. So that is why let's begin to understand the cell. Basically, we will classify on the basis of prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So the prokaryotes mean pro mean before and karyon mean nucleus. So previous from the nucleus are not present. So it can be bacterial cell. While the eukaryotes means the true nucleus are present. You mean true. So the true nucleus are present. For example, prokaryotes is a bacterial cell, and here is the plant cell is the eukaryote, animal cell and fungal cell, while here is the unicellular can be animal cell, multicellular can be same manner. For example, unicellular is amoeba, and multicellular and unicellular can be for plant. Amoeba and human is the basic structure. Amoeba is the unicellular, while the unicellular euglena in the case of plant, and multicellular all plants, while the unicellular and multicellular fungi is the yeast unicellular, while the multicellular is the fungi, basically mushroom. So let's begin to understand about the plant cells anatomical aspect. So this is the autotroph, remember, it can produce energy itself. So plant can produce energy itself by the using of light. So here is the cell wall outer region, and here is inside the vacuole, and this is the chloroplast, mitochondria, and the nucleus, as well as the endoplasmic reticulum, and this is the light, for example. So the basically the uh, ribosome are present in the endoplasmic reticulum, which that is known as the rough endoplasmic reticulum. So the function is the nucleus which contains genetic material, while the chloroplast is used for the light absorption and produce energy, a sugar with the Calvin cycle, and mitochondria used for the powerhouse of energy. So sugar used to produce the ATP, and endoplasmic reticulum is used for the transport and synthesis of protein, because ribosomes are present. Vacuole is used for the storage of water and mineral, and Golgi body is used for the transport and maturation of protein in the form of globule, in the form of vacuole, smaller vacuole. So the cytoplasm is here, and this is the plasma membrane, and the outer is the cell wall. So this is the plastid. I want to show that the plastid basically is the different type, the oleoplast, amyloplast, as well as the chloroplast. Chloroplast, the green color, and chromoplast also present, which that show the color in the of the flower. So the oleoplast is used for the fat storage, and amyloplast is used for the starch storage. And here is a peroxisome, which that is contain H2O2 production and hydrolytic activity, and glyoxysome is used for the glyoxylate cycle, which that is during the embryo formation. So here is the DNA, which that contain histone protein 8 subunits. So this is known as the nucleosomes. Which here is the DNA. DNA is the double stranded which contain nitrogenous species and phosphodiester bond phosphate backbone. So the double stranded is contain nitrogenous base, adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. In the case of other messenger RNA, which that's contain uracil. So here is I am again drawing the animal cell. So the animal cell is different due to the cell wall is absent. So the lack of cell wall while the cell membrane is present. So that is why its structure is look like this. While in the form of unicellular, it can contain cilia for movement or on the other hand the flagella. And here is the cytoplasm, mitochondria again, which that is a powerhouse of energy, peroxisome used for the hydrolyzation of other things as well as the recycling of damaged organelle, plasma membrane, and here is the endoplasmic reticulum, rough and smooth. So the rough contain ribosome. So here is Golgi bodies, and this is the ribosome used for the synthesis of protein. So that is known as the machinery for the translation of protein from the transcription. So here is the homeostasis for the cell is the normal pH, normal temperature, balance water due to the solution balance, and the balance ions due to the ion exchange. So if the ion is exchanged, so that is why it can create the action potential in the form of nerves. So the sodium and potassium exchanges. So this is the channel play important role with a different function with different manner. For example, the transport, exchange, water transport through aquaporin, and osmosis through semi-permeability. So active and passive transport by the using of energy is known as active, while the without energy against toward the osmotic gradients is known as the passive transport. So this is the bacterial cell. Bacterial cell is known as the prokaryotes, and it is the bacterial cell which can be photosynthetic and non-photosynthetic. Prokaryotes mean the nucleus are not present, but the circular DNA are present, as well as plasmid is present. Here you can see plasmid is the extra super circular DNA which that is used for the sexual reproduction of the bacteria. So the photosynthetic, so it means the chloroplast, chlorophyll are present, and chloroplast is present. So basically the chlorophyll is present. And here is the ribosome used for the synthesis of protein for antibiotic resistance, for example. And here is the membrane, vacuole, and cytoplasm and cell wall. So outer covering is known as a capsule. Contain here is the pili. So the pili is basically used for the reproduction and attachment. So the spatial pili is known as the reproductive pili. And here is the flagella. On the basis of their number of flagella, we can classify the bacteria. Atrichus without flagella. Lophotrichus is the one side the cluster of flagella. Peri mean whole body cover, and mono mean one, as well as hetero mean different type of flagella are present in the same organism. So here is the non-photosynthetic can be a decomposer and parasites. So that's video is about the cell structure overview. So I hope you make sense about these things. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and share.